Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I know I haven't posted this whole entire like Christmas or anything. It's just I've been so busy doing stuff, Christmas shopping, all these things. So you know me, I've done the pumpkin spice flan. I was looking for a recipe for for a peppermint flan. But guys, there's no recipe for a peppermint flan. So I was like, I'm gonna be the first one to try to make a peppermint flan, and I'm gonna film it. And if you guys try this recipe, please tag me on it because I want to see it. But when I made it yesterday for my work, guys, it tasted so freaking good. I was like, oh my god, peppermint flan. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. I'm gonna show you like all the stuff that I need, which is the brown sugar, the eggs, carnation milk, sweetened condensed, the pure vanilla extract, the peppermint, all that good stuff I'm going to show you right now. But that's what I'm gonna make. And I need to upload my Christmas decor house tour or whatever, because I haven't even uploaded. I have it already, filmed it, but I just haven't had time to upload it. So keep an eye for that. Maybe I'll do that like next week because I have 2 weeks off. So I'm gonna probably do those videos that I get to upload. I'm just upload. So yeah, and show you guys my Christmas tree and my little tiny decor, which I really love. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. I just want to film this video, show you my recipe of my peppermint flan. And yeah, it came out amazing, and I'm gonna do it again tomorrow for Christmas Eve. So yeah, guys, let me show you other ingredients. So let me turn this around. Okay, guys, so you guys know you're going to need brown sugar. You're going to need 4 eggs. I'm making 2 different flans. So I'm making the pumpkin spice flan because my husband, that's the one that he loves. So I'm gonna make that one for him. And then I'm making a small peppermint one, which is gonna be in this little bowl right here. So I'm gonna make a small one, peppermint, which I really love. And then, so you're gonna need the carnation milk, sweet condense, you're gonna need pure vanilla, peppermint extract. I also put a little bit of vanilla extra. I'm using organic, naturally better organic cinnamon, which I really love. You can use regular cinnamon, doesn't matter. But this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna make another peppermint flan, but I want to tell you guys like how I did it, the recipe and all that good stuff. So this is what you're gonna need. Make sure I will leave all the measurements and all the ingredients that I used in the description down below, so you can try it for yourself. And it's so easy, guys, and I'm doing it on top of the stove, and it comes out so amazing. So amazing. I love it so much. I'm gonna show you the one that I did yesterday, just so you can see kind of like how it looks. So hold on. See, this is the one I made yesterday, guys, and it came out so bomb. Oh my lord, so good. Peppermint is so good. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look, but I'm gonna show you like the full end of the other one, not half eaten, so you guys can see. So yeah, guys, let's just get started. Let's not blab, and let's just get into the video. So here I'm just gonna start prepping the kitchen, but of course I gotta take out my blender, all that good stuff. I'm gonna do a voiceover, guys. You know that a voiceover for me is always hard. I don't know why is it so weird and hard to do a voiceover. Anyways, I just didn't want to talk because I know me, I talk a lot and take forever, and I just really wanted to get this video so you guys can see the process of me making my peppermint flan. So here I'm opening all the ingredients, the carnation milk, the condensed milk, all that good stuff. And mind you, guys, I was looking for recipes and no one has done a peppermint flan. So I was like, I'm gonna try a peppermint flan because I like peppermint, and you know, it's always good to try new recipes and experiment with new things. And you never know how things come out. It's always fun to cook. I love to cook and make things up, even invent my own things. It's just a part of me and just loving how to cook. So yeah. So here we're going to make sure that I'm putting the eggs up there. And this is what a baño de Maria looks like. So you're basically going to fill the little purple pot with water a little bit. And then that mold, you're going to have the flan in there. And that's where you're going to place it. And that's how it's going to cook for an hour. I also love to use light brown sugar, guys. I just think it tastes so much better. I don't know why, but I just love this way it tastes. I use it for coffee, for if I'm baking or anything that I'm doing. And I actually put a cup of light brown sugar. You can use white granulated sugar, whatever kind of sugar you want. And this is what I'm going to put in the pot to make the caramelize. This is evaporated milk, which is fat-free. You can use a fat-free version or you can use the regular one. It doesn't matter, it's your liking. This one I decided to do just fat-free, and then also the sweet condensed milk. We're gonna blend this all in the blender, putting all the ingredients, And I'm using peppermint, pure vanilla, and pure vanilla extra. I think it's just gonna come out so good. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of the vanilla, and also, so basically the tablespoon is, I put half pure vanilla and half vanilla extract, just to do like half and half. And then I'm using the organic cinnamon, which I really liked cinnamon organic. I want to get more seasonings of this line. And of course, the star of the show, which is the peppermint extract. But right now, before we begin, I'm just going to put the 1 cup of sugar into this pan. You're going to do like medium, low heat, or medium, not too high. You don't want the sugar to burn, because then if it burns, it's not going to be, you don't want to do that because it's going to smell weird. It's going to taste burnt. And then I add like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of water to kind of start helping melting it down and caramelizing it and just moving it around. I think I just like the consistency when it's really, really liquidy, just like this. You see how it's kind of like, that's what you want to see. You don't want it to thick, but that's what you want to see. And then you're going to apply that into your mold. Be careful, don't burn yourself, because it is very hot, guys. So you can burn yourself, so very, 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 very careful. So once you do that, you're going to play around with it, roll it around the pot, the mold, and let it sit. You're going to let that sit and cool. And while you're doing the rest of the mixture, and you're going to add the rest of the stuff, you can easily do the sugar first and let it sit. And here, I just put a little bit of warm water already on the pot and put it like on a 3, just so it can start warming up while we get everything situated, so it can kind of start the process of cooking. And here I'm putting, of course, the final things, which I'm putting the 4 eggs. There's people that do it with more eggs, less eggs. I just like to use 4 eggs. That's my recipe. I use 4 eggs. And I'm just putting them in there gently. Of course, washing my hands as I go along. Very important. And you could put here, I'm here going to put peppermint, guys. This peppermint tastes so good and fresh. I don't know. It's just amazing. So I basically put a tablespoon, but then I decided to put another tablespoon. So basically 2 tablespoons of peppermint, because I really want the peppermint to seep through. And then I'm going to add just like a 1/3 tablespoon. That's what it is. That little thing is like a 1/3 of a tablespoon of sugar in it. I don't want it to be too sugary, because, you know, it already has condensed milk. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of half and half. Usually I don't really put milk, but I just wanted to put just a little bit, see how it tastes. And then I just blend everything up. And this is the whole process, to blend everything. Take it all out. And guys, when I smelled it, you smell, it just smells so fresh and like peppermint. I just love it. It smells so good. And there I'm going to get the mold, and I'm going to place everything on the mold, guys, and you start pouring everything in. If you had a strainer, you can actually put the mixture into a strainer first to kind of take all those bubbles from mixing it, but I didn't have one. But just go little by little, putting everything in. After you do that, guys, you're going to get some aluminum foil, and you're going to put the aluminum foil over it really, really tight, because when you put it into the baño de Maria, you do not want it to, the aluminum foil to get out or to loosen up. You want it to be really, really, really tight, and really, really, really tight in there, so it does not move or any water gets into your flan, because if water gets into your flan, then your flan is going to be ruined. Here, I used this pot, wasn't big enough, but, you know, I try to do as much as I can without getting burnt. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of the water and put it in there. Do not overflow it with water, but put it halfway, and then I cover it up with aluminum foil and put the top on it, guys. And then I proceed on to putting the timer on my tablet for an hour, and we're gonna let this cook for an entire hour. Put it in here, covered it up, leave it in there. I'll put it like on between 5 and 4, and I let it cook literally, guys, for an hour. So I have my timer here. I'm gonna do that for an hour, and then now I'm gonna start making my other one. I'm doing here's my Christmas tree. I'll show you more in my next video. But yeah, guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'll check in with you guys in an hour. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make my morning breakfast. So hey, this is the next day. I'm gonna show you guys how the flan's looking and all that good stuff. But first, let me just make my coffee. I have to have my coffee. And this, of course, my Bustelo coffee. I love Bustelo. Here I'm using my kettle that my husband got me for Christmas last year, and I literally use it now for the first time. I really, really love this stuff, even to do like my tea and stuff like that. So now I can start drinking my tea again. I mean, I do use my Keurig for, like, you know, the hot water and all that, but it's just so cute to have like a little teapot and stuff, like a little kettle, tea kettle. So I'm happy to use that. guys. So I made my coffee. I know I look crazy. This is the next day now. So yesterday I remember that I showed you guys you put the little pot inside of the big pot, and it's basically you're cooking the flan in un baño de Maria, which is basically the water is basically cooking the flan slowly, like in a slow motion, and you put it for an hour. And then after you take it out, after it's done for an hour, you take it out, you check it, and if the knife goes in and it comes out clean, that means your flan is done. Let it rest for like 3-4 hours, and then when you go to sleep, put it in the fridge, and it will cook in the fridge as well. We'll finish cooking for the next day. So that's what I'm gonna show you today, is the finished product, because I have to get it ready for today to go to my husband's family's house for Christmas Eve. They do it today. So, and then after that, I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, because I'm gonna blow dry. It's really cold in Florida this year. It's like a record of cold in Florida since years and years. So it's really cold, but it feels so good. Me, I'm crazy. I know my hair crazy. I don't make no brows or whatever. So I'm gonna shower. After this, I'm gonna shower, blow dry my hair, which I might film blow drying my hair. I just wanted to show you guys this recipe because I've not seen that one person make a peppermint flan. So yeah, so this is gonna be my peppermint flan. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put the flan in here. So basically I put it in here. That's what I'm gonna do. So this is how the flan looks. This is how the flan looks, right? So basically when you take it out, it's gonna be firm. It might look crazy. Like this. Then you're gonna get a knife and you're gonna go on the edges. You're basically gonna go on the edges because it kind of releases the sugar, that syrup, that beautiful brown syrup. And just go gently and just go around it. Just around. Try to get all that good stuff. Okay. And then, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to put this over here. And then we're going to flip it. And then you'll see all the caramelization come out, and you can scoop the rest of that. Literally, you're gonna put it in a pan, and you're just gonna look decorative. I wish I had a little bit of peppermint or mint or something I would have put on there for like a little garnish, but this is it. This is how you make it. You put in the, so I left it overnight. So now what I'll do is I'll leave it like this, cover it up, put it in the fridge, and I will take it to my family's house. As this is the flan. I hope you guys love it. I will leave in the description box the ingredients, what I use, the measurements and all that. Try it for yourself. I pretty think I'm the first one that ever tried to make a peppermint flan, because I did not find out one recipe. Now one person tried it, and I love flan. And you know, flan is like a beautiful dessert that we have in Puerto Rico. We always make it for the holidays and things like that. So this is how it looks. Beautiful. And it's so good, guys. Like the first one that I made came out so good. Right now I'm just gonna take a shower, drink my coffee. Actually, yeah, drink my coffee, take a shower, make breakfast. My husband wants to go get a haircut because it's really cold, guys, and I cannot have my hair wet today. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, guys, I will see you later on when I'm doing my hair and maybe my makeup. This video is only for my recipe, but I think I'm just gonna turn it into like a little Christmas vlog. So yeah, see you guys in
As here, I didn't really film the whole thing until my hair is finished, but yeah, I was wanted to try this blow dryer, Foxy Bay hairbrush blow dryer again, because the first time I did it was with dry hair and I did not like the way it came out. So, but it does come out so much better if your hair is wet. So here I am doing it wet and it comes out so amazing, and it comes out like the best blowout ever, blowout ever, guys. So yeah, I really love this product, and here I'm just showing you a little bits and pieces, and then I just turned off the camera because I was just like, you know, I'm a perfectionist and I don't want to take this part alone. I had to break it down a little because it was way too long. So yeah, guys, and then at the end I will show you my final makeup and my final hair. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Yeah, guys, my hair is getting so long. Oh my god, it's amazing. But yeah, guys, here's my final look, my hair and my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, God bless you.